right, folks, time for the hot topics. Well. Jamaica go to the polls on September 3, nomination day, August 18. So said the Prime Minister yesterday. I quote, "I now see it necessary to seek another mandate from the people," so said the Most Honourable and the Honest. 63 candidates. The newly formed Jamaica Progressive Party could have candidates in 2/3 of the seats. And this is the first time, of course, that we're having election in some strange times. Some 1.9 million persons are on the July 31 voters list. That was up from 1.8 for the February 2016 election, in which Mr. Holness's party won by one single seat. The PNP then led by the Most Honourable Portia Simpson Miller. Now the PNP is led by Dr. Peter Phillips. And there are some people, well, the seats, they say, targeted by the GLP. So it's 63, so someone has to win at least 32 seats to win, or so? 32
yeah.
And 31
what do we have
63.
now? I think we have 33 now. 33? We have 33 with the governing, when I say we, the governing party has 33, JLP, and the PNP is at 30. But we do see, what an excitement, did anybody watch that and listen to it? What a piece of drama and excitement yesterday. But it was fun. It was fun listening to it. It was fun listening to the Prime Minister lead up to the reveal of the general election. September 3, green light in his green shoes, but everybody knew it was coming soon. I mean, I don't think they could have waited any longer. So the predictions that people had is coming, but it's 20-something days away, Neville? Before the election. We can see the campaigning happening. If you follow a lot of the candidates, you can see they're out there on both sides. And I can tell you, they're independents, I'm sure, that will be on the ballot, as well as the new party. What's the new party called? I'm saying to people.
Progressive.
The Progressive People's Party.
No.
It's
called
the pastors.
The Jamaica Progressive Party.
That's what the pastors' party is? Full of pastors. So there you go, people. There are options. Exercise your democratic right to vote. We go to the polls September 3. I heard an interview here on Smart Jamaica where, protocol has been put in place for when we go to the polls, sanitization and protective gear for the workers on the front line. But we have to hold our election. So.
And we have some new kids on the block also.
Yeah.
A couple of them, you would have seen them regularly here on Smile Jamaica. Dr. Andre Horton.
He's running hard. He's going for Montego Bay, right?
Crystal Tomlinson.
Crystal is going West Rural St. Andrew
against
Juliet Cuthbert Flynn. And that, Raymond Price is now always going up. He's back.
Right,
He was being there and being back, going up against Alanda Terrelong.
The former police officer Newton Amos is going for the Jamaica Labour Party. Senator Robert Morgan is also, I think, one of the for the first time in representational politics.
We have
Wavell Hines, former West Indies cricketer. And
look at that.
President of the West Indies Players Association, the president of Kingston Cricket Club. He's also doing his thing for the first time. So good luck to all the...
Oh my goodness, Dr. Horton is going up against Marlene Malibu Ford?
Yeah.
That's a rough one, brother.
Yep.
She's been holding it down.
Yep.
That's going to be interesting. I tell you, election is like a movie for me. Like, I hope you're all going out to vote, right? Yep. People, make sure that you go out and vote. We want a high turnout. I think it's estimated to have a 40-something%. I've been hearing different political commentary on that.
The only thing I find interesting, maybe strange, is that you run for a constituency that you have no links to.
Well,
in other words, I could just, you are from Kingston, and I could say, boy, Empress, I like your vibe, but we need you down in Trelawney.
Yeah.
For some reason, I prefer somebody from Trelawney.
Right. People do have that point of view, but for me, it's like taking a job.
Yeah,
I think the councillors
have to be from the area. but the members of parliament. I think the councillors are, I don't know if have to is
People
the
have
right
been
word,
advocating for MPs to live in their constituency.
Yeah,
But here's my thing. Sometimes you have a link going back to a grandma, going back to whatever, but it's like taking a job to me. If you're going to be the member of parliament for any constituency, as long as you know the terrain and you get to know the people, it's like taking a job.
No, I accept what
you
you're saying.
can manage
I accept what you're saying, but I still think it probably would be better for the person who is running for the position to kind of have an idea of the community.
But they probably do.
And know the
and they
people
learn it.
You know?
They learn it before they decide to put up.
Because me feel safe me run for Vineyard Town, me win. Me personally.
Yeah?
Me just run as
Do you want to go into politics?
Independent.
We can call it a smile party.
Yeah, independent. As the
Smile
president
party.
of the independent
Hold on.
party.
North
Empress.
Trelawney, Tova Hamilton. I think she's a newcomer.
Yep.
Against Victor Wright, PMP. So this is a seat targeted by the Jamaica Labour Party. There are going to be some interesting. There's, Robert Miller.
You need to vote, folks. You need to vote, but we have to move on. Because
Okay. So that's election time. Election time is up.
Vote.
Going back now to the whole crazy COVID-19 restrictions. What's going on? I know that
17 beaches and 19 rivers closed.
Talk to me now.
Well,
Over the COVID breaches. Amid concerns.
Probably going to take a little too long to go through them.
So you don't want me to go through it?
It's up to you.
Well, sometimes you know what I'm saying. I'm just saying.
Are you run the place?
Let me just tell you the beaches.
See the list right
Yes,
there.
they're the beaches. Amid concerns, my people, about COVID-19 restriction breaches, the government is moving to close these 17 beaches you see on the screen and 19 rivers. Manchester, Alligator Pond Beach. You can see there Clarendon. So there you go. Keep your eyes and ears open to more updates as the country tries to stay safe during this
pandemic. Can anybody tell me where Kwame Falls is? Or maybe anybody?
Kwame is Nigerian.
Well, Kwame is my son's name, and I just realized that they have a fall in Jamaica.
Come on, guess. If you can guess it right, put it on our social media page
next
and you
one,
win a prize.
Jake's Resort back in business after 127 days of closure due to the pandemic. Jake's Hotel reopened on Thursday, July 13th, and they said the team has been trained in COVID resilience protocols by TPD-Co, and the hotel has been inspected and certified, which is just fantastic news.
You know, I went to Great Huts in Portland and had a great time there as well.
When you went?
About 4 or 5 weeks ago.
So you never came in?
I was going to. You want to come?
Yeah.
Big up our friends at Jake's. Big up our friends at Great Huts and all these amazing hotels and hotel workers who have to come back to work. Make sure that you, just stay safe and come back and, just give the best service because God knows we need our tourism.
Yeah, probably going to go down and have a look for them.
Who?
Down at Jake's.
Okay.
It says a stricken ship
carry me?
off the coast. Of course. I would never leave you. As we move on, a stricken ship off the coast of Mauritius has already leaked about 1,000 metric tons of oil. Wow. There you go. Hopefully they will fix up that one.
Jamaican, well, the whole world is saying she's Jamaican. Jamaican Kamala Harris is Biden's choice for vice president in the United States of America. First time we've seen a black woman on that ticket. Very interesting time.
It's the first female. It's the first African American.
No, sorry, Jamaican.
Well, it's the first African. it's the first Asian. Because her father is Jamaican and her mother is Indian.
Yeah, but when you have a drop of black, the rest doesn't really count. I mean, I don't say count. It's not as. What I'm saying is,
I hear you. No, I heard it the first time.
It doesn't. Yeah.
I heard it the first time.
Okay. You know what I'm saying?
No, everybody.
You gone in there next. Everybody wants to. I have. Listen, from you got to drop a Negro, you're a Negro. Okay, you are black. Okay, all right.
Kwame Falls is an off-the-beaten-path waterfall near the rural district of Robins Bay in St. Mary.
There you go.
It is said that the falls are named for Kwame, one of the warriors who fought alongside Taki in 1760. The most successful rebellion against enslavement in Jamaica.
Kwame it's also the Ghanaian name for born on which day? Saturday. Kwame. All right, so you just rushed through the whole.
I never rushed through anything.
Come on, listen.
I don't stop you from doing nothing.
There's more things that's hot. I don't know.
Say it then, no?
I'm trying to. On Thursday.
But she said we do have time.
On Thursday is RBG Day. You know what that means?
RGB?
Yeah.
Registered General Department.
No, it's a celebration. It's celebrating the red, black, and green flag. August 13, people, UNIA Jamaica, saluting 100 years of the Pan-African RBG flag of our race. That's very important.
It
if
is
anything,
important.
remember the flag that represents
We
us.
have to go to news. By the way, Russia, they said they found a vaccine for... But
I'm going to test it
the
on
world
you.
is saying, hold on a little bit. You can't just say that just yet. So scientists, they said, even in Russia, are saying, well, we're not too certain. But the president, Mr. Putin, says his daughter took the vaccine, and we will see. I just hope it works.
I would love to test it on you.
But everybody say, well, you can't say it, because apparently you have to test it over months. They're suggesting that this might be a quick thing, but you have to watch it over a period of time.
Are you willing to take the vaccine?
When
Let's go
somebody
to a
tells me,
break.
say, this is it, then...
Somebody? Who? Bill Gates?
I don't know. All right, news in 5. I'm going to take a break. I'm going to come back with Empress alone.